Peace and blessings, family. Kibui Belo, and I'm here to just chat a little bit with you about MminoNgweding. What is MminoNgweding? So, in 2016, I began writing these songs that were dedicated to the time period, and just to help remind myself and to really illuminate, this integration with our biorhythmic harmony. And they were called monthly moon songs. And I put my first one out in 2017 and 2018. We released our debut project, which was Moon Songs Volume 1, Songs for Seeing Your Dreams Through, as well as Bara Songs for Crystal Clarity. Little did I realize that after so long of doing music, this would be the process that actually facilitates everything. And then into 2019, I began facilitating Moonsong activation workshops, so expanded into the work a little bit more. I was sharing them at some really beautiful spaces in the UAE and got to eventually bring them home, later in that year. Took them to Pretoria, a space in Johannesburg, and also Rustenburg. So that was really awesome. And then that was 2020, and just a lot of change, a lot of needing to really reacquaint myself with the environment again and acquaint the songs as well. Kind of caused a little bit of a break and a slowdown in the momentum. So 2021 we rebranded to MminoNgweding, and we got to shoot our very first music video for one of the songs, which was from 2020. And I collaborated with a really amazing vocalist, Kitimisi Mahibila, and Honorable and late Saleta on the music video. And that was just magic. We got to shoot the music video at Inzalwe and got to really do that through amazing GoFundMe campaign and a lot of love and a lot of divine alignment. So that was 2021. 2023, we expanded again and got to offer the very first MminoNgweding retreat at Tlelego Eco Village, and in collaboration with some really awesome creators. Just so thrilled that we'll be having the first retreat in Joburg. Super excited. We're going to be at the bridge in Maboneng, on the rooftop, camping, and just enjoying the many different ways that we can tap into biorhythmic harmony, resting, and just co-creation with the universe. So I'm looking forward to the experience. I'm looking forward to all the lovely souls who will be joining and sharing this moment with us. And much love to you all. Ashe.